What is good, YouTube? It's your girl Rain Dollas coming to you with another video. So this week on Dollas Menu, we're serving you DIYs, do it yourself. So a part of my now like self-cleansing, self-elevating, it's just me getting back into the routine of doing things that I like to do. Even the small changes we make can make a big difference in our attitude, how we feel, and just the energy we have in the room. I was lucky enough to be able to take my furniture from Georgia, from high school, to my first apartment in Virginia now, where I am. And I still have that same furniture, from my bed to my dresser to my desk. It's just ridiculous. So I got rid of one of my dressers, got a new TV. It's the same bed, but I invested in a new mattress topper, new sheets, and a comforter, because sometimes it's just feeling different. Rearranging your room, even with the same stuff, can make a big difference. So today we're doing it ourselves, y'all, and I'm about to paint this dresser.
It is fate, never fake, no, yeah. Shawty, take my hand, do you wanna go now? Turn it up,
Okay, so now that we got the first few pulled off, I'm kind of feeling like these aren't that bad. I don't know, I feel like I could paint them. I don't know if I want to paint them.
Yeah, what about dreams like ooh, yeah. She gotta shoot like ooh, yeah. What am I afraid, please don't stop. Sending my check if you don't drop. Watch it rain, it falls from the cloud, yeah.
So we're gonna start sanding now. First things first, I've dropped my drop cloth, covered my floor for when I'm painting, but also because I don't want this like residue of whatever comes off to be everywhere. So same thing, this is a good wood. It's a nice finish, really. So I just want to basically scuff it like you're buffing a nail, just to feel like a coat of smoothness, so that gloss doesn't shine through so much. I'm just gonna do it a little, really, because I'm not really worried about how this really comes out. And it's the same thing I was saying, like, we get to a point where we feel like we need to be elevated in life, and then sometimes what we're doing doesn't necessarily match it, especially when it comes to financially at this age. A lot of us are struggling with that. And I guess I just wanted to tell you guys that you're exactly where you're supposed to be, and the best thing to do in life in general is just to work with what you got. So, you know, maybe I can't buy an expensive dresser, I can't buy a new couch, I can't buy, girl, go to Goodwill and spruce that thing up. $15 right here, you know. Anyway.
Rainbow roads racing in a purple drop top. Shawty next to me and we smoking from the gas, yeah. What about things like ooh, yeah. She gotta shoot like ooh, yeah. What am I afraid, please don't stop. Sending my check if you don't drop. Watch it rain.
The purpose is to get some of those excess oils and all that kind of stuff off the wood, so that when you paint, it's as smooth as it needs to be.
Shawty, take my hand, do you wanna go now? Turn it up, cause we never turn it down. I take you there, take you there, take you there, yeah. Where we wanna go, doesn't even care, yeah, yeah. Rainbow roads racing in a purple drop top. Shawty next to me and we smoking from the gas, yeah. What about things like ooh, yeah. She gotta shoot like ooh, yeah. What am I afraid, please don't stop. Sending my check if you don't drop. Watch it rain, it falls from the cloud, yeah. Mix it with the purple, make it loud, yeah. Watch the rain, it falls on the cloud, ooh. It doesn't even matter, yeah, yeah.
But yeah, so I already put stuff in these drawers, so I'm just gonna like screw these in from the inside, or attempt to. What's crazy is, you ever be doing something and you realize you did something stupid? So I went to the store. These handles have 2 screws. I've only bought 4 of these. So now I'm just like, I need 8 to just go across this top row. So now I'm just gonna put back the original ones and I'll show y'all the end project. But basically, I just want to say thank you for watching Dollas Menu. Let me know if y'all like the Dollas DIYs. Cute alliteration. And yeah, let me know what you want to see next. I rearranged my room. I'm really into, I want to do stuff on the wall next. So if you see something cool, see something cheap, send it my way.
Racing in a purple drop top, shorty next to me, and we smoking from the gas, y'all. What of those things like ooh, y'all. She got a shoot like ooh, y'all. What am I favorite?